The Viper strategic strike missile, often simply called the Viper, is one of the newest developments in American military technology. It is a vertical take-off surface-to-surface cruise missile designed to provide fast, accurate, and cost-effective strike capability on the battlefield. Unlike massive intercontinental missiles that cost millions to launch, the Viper is meant to be affordable, flexible, and reliable for tactical missions. With a range of nearly 300 kilometers, or about 180 miles, it can strike far beyond the front line, delivering devastating firepower against enemy positions, bunkers, and mobile units. What makes the Viper especially impressive is its ability to operate even in GPS-denied environments. In modern warfare, electronic jamming and signal disruption are common tactics. Traditional missiles often rely heavily on GPS guidance, but the Viper has artificial intelligence-based navigation systems that allow it to fly and find its target without depending on satellites. This makes it extremely valuable in high-tech conflicts, where the enemy tries to cut off communication and disable guidance systems. The missile launches vertically, straight up into the sky, just like a rocket. From there it transitions into cruise flight, using small wings and guidance fins to maneuver through the air. Its red body and aerodynamic design allow it to travel fast and maintain stability even at long distances. Once launched, it can adjust its trajectory mid-flight, avoiding enemy radar and air defense systems, and then dive toward its target with high precision. In terms of destructive capability, the Viper is designed to carry powerful warheads that can destroy enemy tanks, artillery positions, radar systems, and fortified structures. While it is not a nuclear weapon, its conventional explosive payload is strong enough to wipe out enemy bases, convoys, and defensive lines. On the battlefield, just a few of these missiles can completely change the balance of power, allowing American forces to break through heavily defended zones. Another advantage is its affordability. Traditional cruise missiles, such as the Tomahawk, can cost more than $1 million each. The Viper, on the other hand, is expected to cost under $100,000 per missile. This low cost means the U.S. Army can deploy it in large numbers without worrying about the financial burden. It is designed to be a mass-use weapon, giving commanders the ability to launch multiple strikes quickly, overwhelming the enemy's defenses and creating opportunities for ground forces to advance. The missile is also compact and easy to transport. It does not require massive launch platforms or large aircraft. Instead, it can be launched from mobile ground vehicles and small platforms, making it extremely flexible. Soldiers can move it to different locations quickly, set it up, and fire it without needing an entire military base. This mobility is critical in modern warfare, where speed and surprise often determine victory. The Viper can also be seen as a bridge between traditional artillery and high-end hypersonic weapons. Artillery shells are cheap but limited in range, while hypersonic missiles are powerful but extremely expensive. The Viper sits in the middle, offering both range and affordability. This makes it a practical tool for everyday combat missions, while still giving the Army advanced strike power that was previously reserved for very costly weapons. Its role in the future battlefield is very clear. As conflicts move toward electronic warfare, drone swarms, and rapid deployment of advanced technologies, the U.S. military needs weapons that are smart, adaptable, and efficient. The Viper meets all of these requirements. It uses AI to make navigation smarter, it is resistant to jamming, it can be mass-produced at low cost, and it can be deployed from almost anywhere.